Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope that you are fit and fine at your homes. Today, let us learn a new topic. The name of the topic is negative sentences. Today, let us learn how to convert affirmative sentences into negative sentences. Usually, when we are asked to change sentences into negative, we may think that just use not, no, nothing, etc. to change them into negative. But when we change them into negative, sometimes the meaning will change. For example, he likes chocolates. It means if we convert them into negative, we'll simply write he does not like chocolates. But it may change the meaning, right? So in this case, without changing meaning, how to convert the sentences into negative? That is the correct format. When we convert sentences into negative, we should not change the meaning. So that is we are going to discuss today. There are certain rules for different types of sentences when we convert them into negative. The first rule is use of opposites. That means we have to use the opposite words of the given ones. Example, the first one, this is impossible. What is this sentence? This is impossible. So impossible, we can find that what is the opposite of impossible? It is possible. When we want to convert it into negative, we can use the opposite of the word plus not. This is not possible. Did we change the meaning? No. This is impossible. Again, the meaning is only same. This is impossible. This is not possible. We only use the opposite of the word impossible. The next one. He loves to eat chocolates. Here, which word has opposite? The word loves has opposite. What is the opposite of loves? Hates. Isn't it? Yeah. So he loves to eat chocolates. Now here, loves is S form. How can we divide loves? Does plus love is loves. So then we can create the negative sentence like he does not hate to eat chocolates. Meaning is that he loves to eat chocolates. We used the opposite of the word loves, hates. But in that case, we have to use does plus not plus hate. He does not hate to eat chocolates. Same meaning only, he loves to eat. The third sentence, she disliked vegetables. So which word has opposite here? Disliked has opposite word. What is the opposite of disliked? It is liked, isn't it? Yeah. Now, disliked is past tense. So we have to use did plus like. Now, how can we convert it into opposite? She did not like vegetables. Same meaning only, she disliked the vegetables. Why we used did? Because the word disliked is past tense. That's why we used did plus not plus like. She did not like vegetables. There is no change in meaning. Now, the fourth example. The knife is sharp. So, here which word has opposite? The word sharp. Then what is the opposite of sharp? It is blunt. B-L-U-N-T. So we can change it like this. The knife is not blunt. Meaning is that the knife is sharp. Here no need to use does or did because helping verb is already given as is. So only we have to convert the uh, opposite of sharp. That means we have to just use the opposite of sharp plus not. It is not blunt. Meaning is sharp. So the knife is not blunt. So the first rule is over. Hope you have understood. Now let us go to the second rule. The second rule is use of none and but. No, any, none. Now let's go to certain examples, then we will be able to understand. And we know that in all the cases opposites will not work, right? If there is a word to change into opposite, then it is possible. But if there are no words, means we cannot change them into opposites. Now, just check the rule. The first example, only girls are allowed here. Here, the word only comes. Whenever the word only comes, then we have to use none but. So the negative word is none. Let us try to change it into negative. None but girls are allowed here. Meaning is that only girls are allowed here. Second sentence. Only authorized persons can come here. So whenever only comes, we have to use none but. None but authorized persons can come here. The third example. Only boys are allowed to enter through gate number 1. Let us try to convert it into negative. None but boys are allowed to enter through gate number 1. I hope that you have understood rule number 2. Now, try to do the examples given. Try to convert these affirmative sentences into negative. Have a nice day. Thank you.